Okay. So, hey everyone, I am Anvesha and this is my project, Pitch Perfect. So, I'll quickly give an overview of it. It's an AI powered startup search platform that helps investors and researchers also discover high potential startups using natural language with intelligent results powered by MindsDB and semantic search, obviously. Let me show you how it works. So, let's say I want to search about Web3 startups in India after um, 2021. So I'll just hit search here. Okay. So in the meanwhile, let me give a quick explanation about the backend. So behind the scenes, where query is interpreted using advanced AI, we are using sentence transformers to embed the query, and the results are retrieving using a vector similarity search. The whole pipeline is working through a fast API backend and intelligently managed through MindsDB's ML querying philosophy, where machine learning meets database. Quite seamlessly. So the results are, yes, the results are here. So here you can see each card gives you a smart summary of a startup. When I click on summarize the deck, uh, it also helps in summarizing and even a simplified risk level, also classifying the risk. um, it will classify the risk and makes it easy for the investors as well. So the AI angle and the MindsDB spotlight is that it plays a key role in how the system understand your queries, and by letting us treat ML like a native part of our data infrastructure, and it makes the whole experience, intelligent and developer friendly. That's the kind of integration that powers real time and meaningful searches and saves times of the investors as well. So the use case that I'm pinching on right now is this is great for the investors scouting deals and filtering startups, or even like students. For me, for researching trends, you can get clean and more context full results in seconds. So wrapping this up, this is the about us, which is we help creators, startups, and change makers turn ideas into powerful stories. And this is the topics page where you can always search for the top trending startups. So yeah, that is pitch perfect for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.